Guys, what's going on? I want you guys to check me out in Hulu today. A brand new series called Age of Influence, episode number 4. Myself and the one and only Rick Collins, who is the attorney for a guy that's in jail now. He used social media to sell steroids, made tons of money, and it's gonna be really cool, guys. So Age of Influence, Hulu, episode number 4. Get on it, guys, and thank you so much.
To you and to everybody else that might have met him on social media, he was Diesel, Musclehead. To me and my family, he was still just Tyler.
What's up, guys? Just got out of the gym, just did some legs and some biceps.
What the f***? You take steroids, my guy? Stop playing. That would have been my reaction. I didn't really say that in real life, but I was pretty surprised, you know? He wasn't scared to let people know, like, yeah, this is me, and this is me on steroids.
Social media put steroids on steroids and just completely upping the game for what the physical standard of the typical fit man should look like.
Bigorexia is a body dysmorphic condition. It's reverse anorexia. It's essentially men that suffer with obsessive compulsive thoughts of they're too small. You have this insatiable feeling that you're just weak and feckless and small and useless. It never leaves. And it becomes a drive that's never satisfied. This is what you get with the Anabolic Doc app. Number 1, a digital history and physical exam, where I bring you through digitally all the important medical issues that you need to understand one by one. Number 2, weekly Zoom meetings with me. They're group meetings where men come from all over the world to ask questions, and I answer the question, everyone listens and learns. Number 3, discounted commercial labs. The actual lab panels that I order for my patients, discounted only through the app. You have access to these labs all over America. Number 4, weekly member-only uncensored videos. This is really cool content that I can't make on YouTube or Instagram because a lot of circumstances, I'm talking about protective medications like blood pressure, cardiac medications, and I can't mention brand names. Here, I mention everything, fully uncensored, so you know exactly what to do. Number 5, Anabolic Doc's mailbag. You can't come to the meetings or you don't want to come to the meetings, you ask a question, I'm going to respond to your question by making a video, put it back up on the app, and you get to see your own question by me as a video. Lastly, diagnostic and management library that is easily searchable by keywords. I've put all this together for you guys for $19.99 per month. Come to one man-to-man meeting. Let me answer your question. Look at the videos, do a mailbag, order some labs for super cheap. Really get into your health. Guys, I've done this for you to scale what I'm doing for men to protect you on androgens. Give me a chance.